Welcome back, welcome back. It is your girl Kay, and I am back to help you master your confidence through fashion, style, and beauty. Get on up in here because spring is on her way. I know it doesn't feel like it, but she will be here in a minute. The weather has been weird. I know, I understand. I see you. But the purpose of this video is to show you some realistic, everyday, luxe, effortless outfits. So if you want to look elevated, you want to look like you spent a lot, even though you probably didn't, you want to give low effort, but look like you put in a lot of work, stick around because this video is going to help you style some of the items that you already have in your closet, plus some key wardrobe essentials that you will reach for each and every spring. And if that is something that you are into, make sure you like and share this video. Also, if you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, girl, because something tells me you're going to want to stick around. So let's get right on into this video. I want to give a thank you to Quint for sponsoring this video. So without further ado, let's get to it. What you're going to notice about all of these outfits is they look very comfortable, they look very polished, and they look very luxurious. But don't worry, because quality shouldn't be a luxury, and you should be able to get high quality items at an affordable price, which is one of the things I love about Quince, because they choose premium materials and they're sustainably sourced so that you know exactly what you're wearing and what you're spending your money on. Because Quince chooses premium materials like this Mongolian cashmere cardigan, your items will last longer and feel amazing. This cardigan feels so super duper soft, and I want to show you the many ways that I styled it and why a cardigan is a key player in your spring wardrobe. Okay, so for the first look, I paired this cardigan with baggy denim because y'all know I love my baggy denim, and a well-fitted cardigan is a key player in your spring wardrobe. You know that I am really obsessed with butter yellow right now, so I grabbed this Mongolian cashmere cardigan in the shade pale custard yellow. But I absolutely love the fit of it. I'm also going to make sure that I share my sizing because there are some things that I did size up in because I wanted a roomier fit. That relaxed fit can come off effortless and also polished. I kept my accessories silver because I think that gold is a little too predictable, so the silver against the pale yellow is mwah. Chef's kiss. And for shoes, I'm going with a pair of flats because, like I said, we want to give effortless, we want to give relaxed, we want to give cool, and we want to give polished, because those are the things that come to mind when I think of spring. I think of light, airy, comfort, luxe, and I think this outfit gives just that. Okay, now next up is this lightweight cashmere crew. Yes, I said cashmere, and I have never actually owned a cashmere piece because they have always been super expensive and out of my price range. However, these cashmere pieces are so affordable and well priced, you're gonna wanna get one in every color. Trust me. For this crew neck, I decided to go with my size and I wanted something a little bit more fitted. So I paired it again with my baggy denim. I did a black shoe. You can either do a loafer, you can do a tabby style shoe, you can even do a bootie if you like, but to edge it up a little bit because I am wearing a dark color, I paired it with a motorcycle jacket because it still gets chilly at night in the springtime, and I'm on the East Coast, so I'm always gonna need a jacket with me. And you can just put it over your shoulders because it gives very much chic, luxe fashion. This outfit is great for a casual day at work. Also is great for nighttime. You can just swap out the flat for a pump. Now, whenever I want to give effortless and comfort, I usually do opt for a loafer or a flat, and that's what I did here. I kept my accessories simple and silver because I do feel like the silver definitely pops, and the finishes on my jacket are silver, and then the silver with the gray just goes together. So for this look, because I'm giving kind of that like moto chic and it can go from day to night, I'm actually wearing a transparent lens with a black frame. I think they complement the black jacket very well, but you could do a silver frame or not. I'm just a girl that loves glasses. It takes the outfit to the next level. The thing about having these key players in your wardrobe for springtime is they actually can translate then into other seasons like fall and even winter. That is why I highly recommend having knits in your wardrobe because they are just so versatile. And I always opt for knits in the springtime. I think it is a great way to add some texture and some interest to your wardrobe. Here, I brightened up the look a little bit more and made it even more springtime with white denim. Now, these jeans are also from Quince and they have amazing stretch. I don't know if anyone has ever told you how powerful having a pair of white denim is, but it's imperative that you have the right white denim because white denim can show everything, okay? They sometimes cannot be the most forgiving, but these are a pretty high quality pair. I really feel like the flare leg on these kind of elongate me. Now, like I said, I am a person who loves a baggy denim. I'm a baggy denim girl, but it is important that I keep a fitted pair of jeans inside of my wardrobe because it's just a little bit more elevated and polished, and it can translate to work in other settings that aren't so informal. I actually swapped out my accessories here and I opted for a pair of silver glasses because, again, I wanted to like brighten and lighten the outfit. Even sticking with the gray, I think the gray cashmere sweater against the white Luna Flare jeans is perfect. I think it is so cute. You could do a pop of color if you like. You could do a black shoe. One of my favorite cheat codes for spring is white denim and blue denim. So here I just paired one of my favorite oversized blue denim shirts with the Luna stretch flare pants, and it is so cute. The cherry on top is that I added a trench coat. So the tones of the tan with the white and the denim, it's a play on texture, but it's also a very light and airy color combo, perfect for the spring. I did add a pop of red because I just needed a little, you know what I mean? But if you wanted to add a pop of color, it could be butter yellow, it could be red, it could be navy blue, it could be powder blue. Really, the possibilities are endless when you have a really strong foundation and base like these white jeans paired with denim and a trench coat. I actually added a pair of brown sunglasses because I just wanted to play up the tones of brown a little bit. And then I added a mesh flat because, again, flats give ease, give comfort, everything I want to be in the spring. I just want to be easy breezy, beautiful. I did add the pop of red. It kind of gives me those nautical vibes. And the brown glasses, the darker brown glasses, add a little bit of depth to this bright look. So what you'll notice is that I'm styling a lot of these pieces in a lot of my spring wardrobe various different ways because I do not believe that you need to overbuy for spring. Spring does not even last that long. It's here today and it's gone tomorrow. So you want to make sure that you do have a capsule for spring because these are items that you'll be able to interchange. And I think the perfect place to get your capsule is Quint because these pieces are not just high quality and premium materials, but they're extremely versatile. Now I'm wearing these flare jeans with a Mongolian cashmere crew neck in the shade pale custard yellow. Y'all, I know, I cannot get away from pale custard yellow, butter yellow, yellow. I just think that it is so pretty. It really screams spring. And again, like I said, it looks great against brown skin. So this sweater I actually sized up just a little bit and I'm glad that I did because, again, I don't typically wear fitted denim, and if I'm going to do so, I would like my top to be a lot more roomy. Now, the one great thing about these pants is they can transition to work really easily. So what I decided to do was put on a brown suede pump. You know, I just want to play up the texture a little bit. I just want to get a little texture, you know? So I paired it with the brown pump and I put that trench coat back on, and just look at how bright and pretty this look is. It screams spring. It screams Easter weekend. I don't know about you, but I am absolutely obsessed with this color combination. I really want to wear this outfit to work like tomorrow. I added a brown bag just to play up the tones a little bit, to give it a little bit more depth so that the outfit doesn't look completely washed out. Also, it makes the shoe and the bag kind of make the entire look a little more cohesive. I could not get enough of this. Girl, just look at me. Ooh, it's so cute. I'm so obsessed. I am so obsessed. Like, I am gagging over here. I love it so much. Now, this outfit is a showstopper. One of the first pieces I ever got from Quince was my first 100% silk piece. Now, if you are into sustainability and you really want to know what you're wearing, get you some silk, girl. Also, silk is the perfect flowy, airy material for spring, summer. So I just think don't I look so good? Just take it all in. And I actually just paired this with a tan kitten heel, a suede kitten heel I feel like you can also wear a flat. A ballet flat would be so cutesy. And then if you are a mule or a heel girl or a slingback, I think all of that works. I've been telling the girls you need a really well-made slip skirt or dress, and this silk one from Quince really fits the bill. I feel like the fabric really lays extremely well on all of my curves. So I am extremely happy with this, and I've even worn it as a skirt, and it gave like maxi length vibes, and it was just draping the floor, girl. It was just a vibe. It was a moment. So I feel like a silk skirt or a silk dress is absolutely an investment. This one will not break the bank, and it is something that I highly recommend simply because it really can be worn all year long. I feel like I could do a whole video just on how to style this dress, a satin skirt, etc. But you cannot tell me I'm not that girl in this outfit. This is so cute. Again, the butter yellow and the navy, mwah, chef's kiss, girl. Okay, and for the next outfit is another 100% mulberry silk piece that I have, and those are these pants here, also by Quince. I paired it with an oversized button-down Oxford shirt, and I really love how the two fabrics kind of play off of each other. So I am a person who really loves pairing a feminine silhouette or a flowy fabric with something a little bit more structured or tailored, like a button-down shirt. And let me tell you something. I don't care if it's spring, summer, winter, or fall, you need a really good, tailored, structured button-down shirt. And you want one that is high quality. You don't want one that's too thin or that's see-through, because it really will not translate well with the outfit. Also, over time, it will not hold up well. Trust me, I have replaced so many inexpensive button-down shirts. Now, this one was not really expensive, but I did not shop at the bottom of my price range, if that makes sense. This one is from H&M, and again, it's that butter yellow that I just can't get over. And I paired it with these pants. These pants, in my opinion, if you are taller, just size up. And I'm wearing extra large because I want them to be very, very flowy, honey. You need to make sure you have the right undergarments when you're wearing satin or silk pants, because they can show everything. I would actually pair this with a nice little flat because it's supposed to give easy, breezy, effortless. It looks very luxe and expensive, but it's also extremely comfortable, and it's not expensive at all. This is also an outfit that you can recreate over and over and over and over again. Flowy pants, structured top. Okay, and the last outfit is a really cute outfit that I actually wore to work today, and I wanted to make sure that I showed y'all. So these are just a pair of classic denim. I actually like a button fly for some reason. It just complements my tummy area. So these are more rigid denim, and over time I feel like some rigid denim definitely gives, but these have zero stretch. And I kind of like it that way for the look that I was trying to achieve. So I wore a structured top, this cute belt. I have it in black and gold and black and silver. I think it is so cute, and it just adds to the outfit. It adds a little extra element to an already simple outfit. I'm wearing a powder blue structured button down, but it also has like these blouson or blouson sleeves, and then I tucked it in the front. The hem is actually asymmetrical. I got it from Zara, and for some reason I am just gravitating towards baby blue and butter yellow and even some pinks this spring. It just, again, it gives me just that airy, bright feeling, that weightless, how can I explain it? It's hard to explain, but it just gives me easy breezy, you know? And those pastels really do look really great against brown skin and melanin. Thank me later. Just try it on. Just try it on. Especially if you're a girl who's like dibbling dabbling in color, pastels are a good little way to it's a good way to get your toe wet. Now, if you liked this video and you want to see me style more of a capsule, which means you want me to take a handful of items and style them in various ways, showing the versatility, then let me know down in the details below. And if there was anything in this video that you saw that you liked and that you wanted, all the details will be linked below. Don't forget to shop all of my Quince favorites below. I have a plethora of Quince items, and they are all key players in my wardrobe. I love them, and I know that you'll love them too. In addition to premium materials, affordable price range, high quality, Quince also offers free shipping on all orders all year long, honey. So make sure you thumbs up, you subscribe, and come back for more. Bye. Thank you for watching.